Let's study 9th Standard ICSE Physics, Chapter 8, Sound Numericals from the Oswal textbook. Question 2. The speed of sound is given and the frequency is given. Wavelength is asked. So the formula is speed, that is velocity, is equal to frequency into lambda, that is wavelength. The values are given and they are in SI units, so substitute and solve, we get the wavelength as 0.6 meters. Now the fourth sum. What is the time period of oscillation of a body if it vibrates 100 times in a minute? 1 minute means 60 seconds, that's the SI unit of time. First we'll find the frequency. The formula of frequency is number of oscillations upon time. Note that this is total time, not time period. In fact, time period is a reciprocal of frequency. So if I do reciprocal of this, I get the time period as 0.6 seconds. Frequency would have been in hertz. Next, the sixth sum. A boy fires a gun and the other boy at a distance hears the sound of fire 3.5 seconds after seeing the flash. So we are assuming here that it's instantaneous. The moment the gun is fired, the other boy is able to see it immediately, because speed of light is so high that we can assume it reaches the other boy almost instantly. So based on this assumption, we can now use the formula distance is equal to velocity into time. Velocity is given in the question and time is also given, so we get the distance as 1155 meters. Now the eighth sum. Here the wavelength is given as 25 centimeters, which will be 0.25 meters, and the frequency is 1500 hertz. So first they've asked us to find the velocity. That's pretty straightforward. Velocity is equal to f into lambda, which comes out to be 375 meters per second. Next, in the second case, they change the wavelength to 35 centimeters. And since the medium is same, the velocity remains same, and they've asked us to find the new frequency. So wavelength again should be in meters. Velocity will use the same velocity as alpha, and frequency is velocity upon lambda, which comes out to be 1071.42 hertz. Here, make sure that h is capital and frequency is always small f. Next, the 10th sum. If you can hear the thunder 5 seconds after you hear the lightning, then how far did the lightning occur from you? So time is given and velocity of sound we're going to assume as 330 meters per second, so we get the distance as 1650 meters. But they've asked us to state the assumptions we are taking. One assumption was the speed of sound. Another assumption is again that since the speed of light is millions of times more than the speed of sound, we assume that it takes negligible time to reach us. It is almost instantaneous. Hi students, this is AJ sir. If you like this video, press the like button. If you would like to enroll for my online test series or online lectures, email me or message me on Instagram. Check the description for more information.